Okay. He told the dude that if she don't sign the ticket, she's going to jail. He told her, instead of her complying, she's asking all these goofy questions, and he's not playing.
Put your hands behind your back, please. Hey, listen, man. She said she's not signing. Put your hands behind your back.
Sir, you're hurting me.
Okay.
See, this what makes me mad, because I really go through racism, and this ain't it. It's a difference, like, when you creating problems and then crying victim, it's not the same as what we go through. Don't go through this and try to say this is not what we go through. We wouldn't have had this much leeway. We would have been thrown on the floor the first time we didn't comply. You don't share our struggle. This is the proof of it.
I'm asking you to put your hands behind your back.
Sir?
Put your hands behind your back.
Sir?
Now, put your hand behind your back. Come on. I need you to back up. I'm just saying, like, I need you to back up. You don't need to touch her like that. She's not putting her hand behind her back.
I'm asking a question.
Okay.
All I'm doing is
Put your
asking.
hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your
Mr.
back. You're
Brooks.
under arrest. Put your hands behind your back.
It's too late. This is not your friend. This is not somebody like y'all so used to getting away with everything that this is life.
I asked you to sign the ticket. You told me you're not signing it.
Sir,
Put your hands
I'm
behind your back.
asking you a question.
Okay. Now you know. I'm not going to ask you again. I'm going to forcefully put your hands behind your back.
But, sir, Mr. Brooks, is this really necessary? Mr. Brooks.
Hold on. Hey, listen. She needs to put her.
Can I?
Okay, you can put your phone down.
Okay, Mr. Brooks.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not saying that I'm refusing to sign the ticket. I'm going to sign the ticket.
You don't have an option now.
But I'm going to.
Yeah, you think, that's what I'm saying. You think you could do what you want when you want. And there's no consequences. That's how I know we don't share the same battle. And because y'all could get away with this, y'all think that this is what we do. No.
I'm going to sign the ticket. I'm going to sign the ticket.
No, I'm not here to play games with you.
I know, but I'm going to sign.
Put your hands behind your back.
Mr. Brooks, I'm going to.
Yeah, I really resist.
I'm asking you why am I putting my hands behind my back?
No sorrow.
I'm going to sign the ticket, but why am I under arrest? I'm going to sign the ticket. I'm going to sign the ticket, Mr. Brooks. That's all it is. I'm going to sign the ticket.
I asked you to sign the ticket. You told me you're not signing.
I'm going to sign the ticket now. Mr. Brooks, I'm going to sign the ticket.
You don't have that option now.
Why don't I have the option,
I
Mr.
gave
Brooks?
you two options.
I'm asking for your badge number, and I wasn't called by my badge number. Oh my God. Mr. Brooks, I'm telling you what I'm going to sign.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm going to sign the ticket.
Play stupid games, you win stupid prizes.
I'm going to sign the ticket. Why am I being arrested? Can you please tell me why I'm being arrested? Oh my God.
Because you're not signing the ticket. Like, this is exactly what relationships are like. Just like this. This exactly.
Oh my God, please, in the name of Jesus, please, God, in the name. Why am I being arrested, Mr. Brooks? I'm going to sign a ticket. Mr. Brooks, why am I being arrested? Why am I being arrested? I don't understand why I'm being arrested. Can you please tell me why I'm being arrested?
You still don't understand why. You didn't sign the ticket. You said you weren't going to sign the ticket. You said it multiple times. He asked you multiple times to sign the ticket, and you said no. Your boyfriend tried to tell you, like, this is stupid.
That's it.
Not signing in jail. This one here.